my god, so much stuff. How did this happen? Right now I'm watching Gordita Chronicles on HBO Max. Highly recommend. It's so funny. Okay. Hello everyone. So today I'm going to clean my room. It's kind of a mess, just a little bit, you know. I just haven't cleaned my room in a while. I do like kind of organize. No, that's a lie. But I finally have time to clean my room. I have a day off today from work, and before I forget, my name is Elizabeth, and the types of videos I normally film are vlogs. Yeah, recently just vlogs. All right. Let's begin. Oh my god, as you can see the background, jeez. So I'm gonna start cleaning my room. I don't know where to start. Oh my gosh, I'm just gonna go like this in circles, hopefully. Like I'm gonna start here, then over there, something like that. While I'm like cleaning my room, I'm gonna listen to, so I'm gonna watch Drew's podcast. I don't know if you have watched it. I would recommend it. She is so entertaining. Oh my god, so much stuff. How did this happen? Okay, so now I'm going to change my oracle card. This is how this one looks. What is mine will come and it won't pass me by. I like to change them from time to time, and I think it's a good time to change it. You know, I'm cleaning, different energy. So I got these at Amazon, and yes, let's shuffle these cards to see which one I'll get. I'm always excited. It's like, ooh, oh, there it is. This one is, I enjoy the space between where I am and where I'm going. Nice. And then the back of the card, I just like to check sometimes. I stand confident in the face of the unknown. Ooh. So yes, one section down and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more to go. Jane Austen tarot deck. I love it. It's so beautiful. I found this one at TJ Maxx. Oh my god. I love TJ Maxx, Ross, Marshalls, because you always find something unique, you know? And every place is usually a little bit different. Oh, and I got this one, my Everyday Tarot as well, at Marshalls for $6.99. I've seen it like in Barnes & Nobles for like $14.99, Target for like $9, something pricey like that. I'm like, nope, $4.90, no, $6.99. I thought that was a bargain, you know? I have so many notebooks, like this one. This one. Jeez, so many. Oh, and then this one, which I got at, I think, Marshall or something. So beautiful. Oh, so many. But I'm not gonna throw them away because I use them, you know? So next, I'm gonna clean up my book section. I've recently been starting like collecting mangas again, and I'm so happy because the storylines are really great, and like most of them are like similar to my age, which is nice. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, so I'm currently listening to the podcast. It's really good. Quick question. Do any of you know where to buy these? I saw them on eBay and they're like 30, 40 bucks. I'm like, no. Because I haven't seen them. I don't think they'll sell them like in Barnes & Nobles or Book Off or any like secondhand store. Barnes & Nobles isn't, but yeah. Because I've been trying to get like the other collections. So yeah, just curious. I only have 2 Oracle cards, which is this one, the Strawberry Shortcake one, and the other one that I got on Amazon. So for this one specifically, I don't know where I got it from, like an independent store. Like I was trying to look for it. I was trying to look for the website, but I can't find it anymore. But if I do find it, I will link this one below because it's the Strawberry Shortcake one's the Oracle. I really do love Oracle cards because they're just like uplifting, you know. All right, so the one I had, does that look weird? It says, I walk confidently even into the unknown. And I love these because they're all Strawberry Shortcake, and I love Strawberry Shortcake since a long time. But yes, so let's see what I'm gonna get now. The only thing I do not like about these cards are like they're a little bit flimsy. But other than that, I like them. Ah! Okay, got one. I am adaptable and resilient. So I'm putting that in here, putting that here. Oh, it's nice. I like it. I normally have my Nintendo Switch here, but my nephew is playing it, so it's a little bit empty. But yes, I'm gonna start cleaning the books here, but I'm not gonna film it because I feel like it's, I don't know, gonna be boring, I feel like. But then I'm gonna start cleaning the other bookshelf, and I think that's gonna be more interesting. Okay. So a couple weeks ago, I won a few books, and now my stack, it looks so big. Like it looks like it's a lot. And like a couple months ago, I like decluttered a lot of my books, threw away, donated. Mostly it was donated, but it was like less, and now it's so much. And like recently I haven't had time to read. Hopefully I find time to read books. But yeah, but yes, I'm done with this section. All I need is my desk. I said that word, my desk. It's not a lot of stuff. I've been removing a lot of items because I really want to buy a new desk. So yes, let's keep going. Okay, so I'm finally done cleaning my room. I'm so happy. It looks a lot more cleaner. I'm gonna quickly show you everything, or what I cleaned. My desk looks a lot more neater. Seriously, I need to buy a new desk because these empty spots I'm not liking. But yes, I'm so happy. And then my bookshelf, but like, look, you can see all those books there. That's gonna bother me. I need more space. I don't want to get rid of my books. Oh, right now I'm watching Gordita Chronicles on HBO Max. Highly recommend. It's so funny. Okay. And then I cleaned here. It looks nice. It still looks a little messy, but it's okay. And then right here, my nightstand. Oh, something arrived. Yep, something arrived. Yeah, it looks nice. And then right here. Okay, this is not a pretty angle. Hold up. So yes, it looks so nice. I'm so happy. I need more room for my books. There's so many. So yes, that is it for this clean with me type video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time. Bye everyone.